Today we've got the Acebeam P20. I'm going to do a bit of a teardown. Let's start with the tail cap. So if you get the Acebeam P20, it comes with the spare rubber switch cover for the tactical tail switch. And you can remove the screws here to access that. So let's try a Phillips 0. Yep, that works. Ooh. That's nice. Cool, that switch assembly comes out. So there's a plastic cover. This is where the signal, so there's two little notches there on the outside. That is for the signal for the tail switch. So you need to use this proprietary battery to be able to use the tail switch. You can use the tail switch or the side switch. If you have regular 21700 cells, you could just put two of those together and use the torch with the side switch, which is this little switch here. So you can use that side switch. But if you want to use the tail switch, then you need to use this proprietary battery. The torch will work without the proprietary battery, and the side switch works, but the tail switch doesn't. So yeah, this is the switch assembly. Let's take it apart. Cool. Okay, that's a lot of parts. Those are all the parts for the switch. Got the out of case. You get two of these rubber covers. This just goes under the cover. This is the switch. That's a forward clicky tail switch. So yeah, that's it. Nice and simple. Let's put it back together. Cool. That's the button cover. Yeah, these two lined up. Nice. Just falls into place nice and easily. This should go over the signal. And boom. Okay. Nice. So that is the tail switch. Let's take a look at the driver, and I'll just remove some screws here. There's two Phillips 0 screws. Are they Phillips? Oh, they're kidding me. They put some epoxy on for anti-tamper. So Acebeam do not want you to be tampering with the driver, which is fair enough, I guess. I'm gonna have to figure out how to remove epoxy from the screws. Anyway, so if I leave the driver there, that's fine. I just want to remove the head. I use a 2.5 hex bit. So need a 2.5 hex bit. You can slot it into here. And then should be able to open it up. Cool, that's loosening them. This is a 5.5 mil bit.
Can I try?
Well, yeah, give it a go.
Which way do we turn?
Counterclockwise.
Which way?
That way, left. Yep. Lefty loosey. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Good job. Alright. So we're going to take this off and take a look at what's inside.
Good. Is it done?
Oh, it's done. It fell inside. Whoops. There we go. That is the piece. It might be a bit sticky. That's why I got gloves on. Alright, how does that come off?
I don't have any gloves.
Do you want to do the same for this one too?
Yes.
There's a lot to do.
Can I do all of them?
Okay. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Do we put it back on? Or just getting
Take it off. I'm gonna take it off.
This way, isn't it?
Lefty loosey. There you go. Good job.
Let's check.
Oh, there we go.
It's not stuck. Oh, it's stuck. We got it inside again.
That's okay. Let's try this one. How does that go? Oh. Oh. There we go. I don't know if that worked. That loosened it.
Let me try it.
Oh, yeah.
What do you do?
We have to... Oh, that's not it. Let's have another go. Give it a twist. Lefty loosey. Got
We're
it.
talking about lefty loosey.
Well, if you turn it to the left, it becomes loose. And if you turn it to the right, it becomes tight. So you're loosening the nut. And now we can drop it out. There you go. It's over there. Oh, it's got a bit of grease on it. Now we need to pull these out somehow. Wonder if this just pops off. I think it must be threaded. They must have tapped the thing. Got the 2.5mm hex bit. Alright. Let's try that again. Okay?
That was so silly.
Yeah, that was a bit silly. Alright, this time. Boop. Okay. Careful. Ooh, there's the reflector. Now that's going to get heaps of dust in it. So what am I going to do? I'm going to put this over in the corner.
It looks like a volcano.
Yeah, it does look like a volcano. I'm going to put it in the corner so hopefully I don't get heaps and heaps of dust inside.
It looks like a little tiny volcano.
Alright, so that is the... Ooh. That is the LED. It's an SBT 90.2. Oh, there's a center thing, center gasket. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's grab the center gasket using some... These cables are pretty tricky. Oh. There we go. That was tricky. Oh, that's probably pretty hot. Let's turn that off. Boop. So I've desoldered 2 wires and I'll remove the main screw. Why is there a bridge there? Maybe that's a 6-volt. I don't know what that is. Alright, almost ready. Looks like they cut the shelf out using a CNC machine so that the MCPCB or the metal core printed circuit board fits in place properly. So it's a copper metal printed circuit board. Let's grab some tweezers. I'm hoping to see a whole bunch of thermal paste. So we got the minus and the plus. And there we go. So that is the thermal paste.